Writer's block, vacuum cleaner, let's go. You know, it's pretty cool. I like the design, the face adds some personality. Something to highlight is that this vacuum is designed after a small little idiot child. You can probably notice the resemblance. I ordered a regular one on Amazon, and then it showed up in this tiny little box, and I was like, well, that's weird. So I rung up the company, and they were like, yes, sir, don't worry about it. It's a grow your own hoover. You'll love it. So now I'm stuck with this thing. It takes too long to hoover anything with it. It can't suck up anything bigger than a pea. It can do hobnob crumbs, but that's about it. I've got to constantly babysit it, you know, to scoot it around everywhere. I can't just be like, hey, I'm going to suck up some dust particles about a meter away. You all right with that? No, he's got to come with. And the noise, the fucking noise. It's a tiny little thing. How is it this loud? Just shut up! Oh, hey, no, there. Don't cry. It's all right. Have some milk. You love your milk.
I may not always love you, but long as there are stars above you, you never need to doubt it. I'll make you so sure about it. God only knows what I'd be without you. If you should ever leave me, well, life would still go on, believe me. The world could show nothing to me, so what good would living do me? God only knows what I'd be without you.
Two out of 10. Bit shit. Cut.